Hey, welcome to the world according to Larry. Today's video is on something that's been on back order for months. It finally was available in stock, and I finally purchased it. It is the American Authority Louvers. Now, this is how it arrives. The box is in fairly decent condition, and let's get to opening it. Almost didn't see that. It was wrapped up in something. I got the louvers back from the paint shop. They came out pretty good, and today, 4th of July, first warm day in New Hampshire, it's time to put this on. So let's do that. First thing we're going to do is clean this window. We're going to clean it with window cleaner and then clean it with isopropyl alcohol. We're going to focus on the perimeter of the window. I'll do the middle too, but this is where the sticky tape is I'm going to clean it with isopropyl alcohol, make sure I get everything else off the glass. That's after window cleaning. This becomes a two-person job. What we're going to do is install the brackets, leave the tape on. We're going to tighten them, get them oriented right, And then we're going to we'll actually do a dry run before we peel the backing off, and make sure we both understand how it's going to sit. And then we're going to take the backings off, push it down, take the nuts off, take the louver off, and then really secure the pads. And make sure that these are finger tight. Don't drop them.
There we go.
The instruction said 7mm, but this doesn't seem to be fitting.
It's just an awkward angle. I don't know how tight you want it to be.
I don't want to move when we're trying to set them.
Yeah.
So, yeah, mount that there.
How high up do you want? Like all the way?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready.
One eternity later.
Ooh, that was a nice Mustang. You have the Mustang Slayer.
Yeah.
This looks mean.
Hey, so next we're going to remove the louver, and hopefully all of the mounting hardware stays behind.
Nope, yeah, it's good.
There we go. There are some sharp edges. Want to be careful not to run your thumb along that sharp edge. Fingerprints.
Mm-hmm.
And then never see them again, but
You'll know they're there.
yeah, exactly. Easy peasy.
You doing just so tight?
Just like that.
Okay.
Like, don't hold it here.
Just barely tight.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, I don't know how that's fitting there. When the washer wouldn't go.
Right? I mean, it's just barely on there. There you go. That's tight.
Looks badass.
And there's the install of the American Authority Rear Louvers. One of the easiest things that you can do to your car. And you can go with the flat black it comes in, or you can have it painted for about $150 to your model's color. You've been experiencing The World According to Larry, and I'm Larry, and this is the world I live in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like it, share it. I would love to hear your comments, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe. And until then, I'm in my world.